Hey, it's Lee at Carson City RV. This is the 2026 Forest River Puma 38 Den. Come on with me, we're gonna go take a look at it. I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I really like about it and how you can get your hands on one. Looking at the exterior, you're about 12 feet high and you're about 42 feet long. So you're definitely going to want to have a room to put this coach, either a park or, property that's going to be suitable for it. Now this particular model has a GE profile tankless water heater. That's something that they're doing a lot on these coaches, and it provides unlimited hot water. Walking around the back or the side of the coach here, you do have the slides. Now the slides on these are going to be rack and pinions. Again, that's better for heavy duty applications. Right over here you have your outdoor shower, your 50 amp hookup, your city water, your black tank flush. And down below there you also have your, it's really convenient because you have both your gray and black tank drains right there. On all Forest River models, you're going to have Dexter axles. They're known for being a very heavy-duty, high-quality product, and they're low on maintenance. So that's one of the nice things that Forest River's done for us on this coach. Now, coming around the back here, you do have front and rear stabilizers on this, so you're going to be able to level up the unit. Wherever you get to where you're going, make it level. You have a ladder that goes all the way up to the roof. Now the roof is fully walkable on this unit, and the roof membrane is guaranteed for life. So that's nice to know. Backup camera, it is prepped for a backup camera. Something that you may want to consider doing if you've never towed one of these things or tried to park one of them. It's not a bad idea. Now, Forest River makes their destination models. For the most part, they're all going to have the extended season package. What this gives you is an enclosed underbelly. Your tanks are going to be insulated, and the actual sidewalls of the coach are insulated just like you would have in a home. So your R value for heating and cooling in this unit is going to be similar to what you would have in a house. Again, you have the awning that runs the length of the coach. It does have an LED strip in it. You have marine grade speakers on the exterior. So if you want to enjoy some tunes while you're outside, you can do that. Also down here, they haven't really forgotten about anything. You do have a quick connect for your propane. So if you want to maybe barbecue or have any other kind of propane accessories going. Full-size screen door, sliding glass door there, and you have your full-size steps. And these are solid steps that fold up into the coach. Really convenient, good design, especially good if you've got kids or pets or older folks. So that's some information about the exterior of the Puma. Let's go inside and take a look. There's a lot of nice features, and we're going to walk through it. Okay, so inside of the 38 Den, you have this really nice king suite here. Ceiling fans, you have your own separate AC unit up here. Lots of room. This is actually built into one of the slides, so you pick up a lot more room down on the floor. You also have a built-in washer and dryer, which, it's a residence. It's nice to have. One of the things I didn't mention before is you actually have solid wood cabinetry. The faces are solid wood. Lots of storage. Going through here, I wanted to just walk you through what I'm seeing here. Beautiful Forest River product. You have another ceiling fan in the main living area. coming through here. Nice entertainment center. Now the fireplace here is actually a heat source. This is a 5100 BTU fireplace. So in the winter time, if you just wanted to take the chill out of the air, it would be nice to just turn that on. You don't have to worry about running your propane and your furnace and everything. So you have opposing slides in this model, which makes this living area really spacious. So you have the one slide on this side, and then you have the other slide on this side. Now both of these sofas, they actually unfold into sleeper, sleeper sofas. You do also have some additional storage down here, which is really nice to have the option, if you had additional bins that you wanted to put underneath the couch there. You do have theater style seating here, full-size appliances. No expense was spared on this model with Forest River. They've really put the attention into detail in this model. Solid countertops. Something that you don't really see in the RV business a lot is solid countertops. And that's, again, another detail that Forest River wanted to put into this coach to make it as livable as possible. And I really like the detail here with the glass faces on these cabinets. Really nice quality. Now this is a Furrion oven stove combination. This is kind of new. It's 24 inches and you do have a 4-burner stove. A lot of the RVs that you go into only have like a convection microwave and like a 2-burner or 3-burner stove. No, this is a residential model, so it's something that you're going to want to live in. Nice dinette set. I really like this idea, having the bench and the little bar stools, and those can be moved around, of course. Really good use of space, really good use of utility. So let's talk a little bit about what heating and cooling is going to offer you in this unit. Again, you have the 35,000 BTU furnace, and you do have 2 GE profile AC units, and I believe those are 15,000 BTU units. There's one in the bedroom, one in the main living area here, and you do have the ceiling fans. You get both these windows open, you get a nice cross breeze going through here. I mean, it's just really set up for full-time living. It's really nice. The insulation in the walls of this unit are actual residential insulation. It's hung fiberglass insulation, so it's going to have a really high R value. The roof on this particular coach is guaranteed. It has a lifetime guarantee on it. And the floor, I know it's kind of romantic when we talk about floors. Now the floor in this unit is made out of a 5/8 plywood material, and it is water resistant. The flooring is guaranteed for 25 years. And the cross members in the floor are actually 12 inches on center, the horizontal beams. So that is going to alleviate any creaks or squeaks in the future. This does run on a 50 amp circuit because you have 2 AC units, and you do have the washer and dryer. So it's a very robust system to work all of your appliances. One thing I didn't mention was the bathroom. Let's go take a peek at that. Now, going inside the bathroom here, this is a nice touch right over here. I don't know if you could see that, but you've got a little light that's motion activated. So when you get up in the middle of the night, you want to come in and use the restroom, it is motion activated. Nice quality 2-piece shower enclosure here with glass doors. Really nice touch. They did a really nice, on the cabinets as well, so you have some additional storage in here, and you do have a full size. All your fixtures are going to be full size. So truly a residential type experience walking through this coach. I mean, if you are going to live in one of these RVs, this would be a way to go, because the way I see it is it's just another option for people. If they wanted to live in something like this, it would be really comfortable, and it would be something that would last you a long time. Okay, so there you have it. 2026 Forest River Puma 38 Den. It's a fantastic coach with a lot of nice features. I think it would really be a great home on wheels for anybody. So let's talk about the price. List price on this unit is $71,486. But here at Carson City RV, we don't agree in selling anything at full list price. Get in touch with me. My information's down there in the description. Our goal is to get you a price and payment that's going to be most agreeable to you and get a fit into your budget. So until next time, I'm going to be posting videos every week on this channel. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We're going to catch you on the next one, and goodbye.